Hello world, welcome to my channel Code Artisan Lab. In this video, we will create a live search with Laravel 7 and Jquery Ajax. So let's start. So first of all, we will go to the project folder and open the command terminal. So in this video, I hope you have installed Laravel successfully on your system and you have started your XAMPP server. So first of all, I will create a controller. Search controller. And open this controller. So controller has been created. So now I will open this controller and create a function for search. So function search. I will load the search template. Return view. Sorry. Search and create a search template. Create our search template. Search with Jquery Ajax. So before watching this video, please make sure that you have basic knowledge of jQuery. So I will put the bootstrap file. I'm using bootstrap 4. Now I will create a template for search. Now actually I'm creating a template for search, so I will create container class. This will be our input, so we will open the bootstrap website. Okay, I will put here input type text, name, form control, and we will give this margin bottom and top, and we will show the result in the card. Card header, search result, not card body, list group, list group flush, and in this we will show the result. So task 1. So I will use the my CRUD database that we have created in my previous tutorial, so you can check that. In my previous tutorial I have created a task. I have created a to-do list, so I will use that database. So I will fetch here tasks and search the task with jQuery Ajax. So I will add a class list group item. So now we will see how it will look. And one thing more that we need to do, that we define our route in web. So here, so search to do controller, not to do controller, I'm not using to do controller, I'm using search controller and using search method. So yeah, it's working now. So I have not started my XAMPP server, so I will start. Actually it is started. So now I will start my project. So internet is not working. So this is task. Now I will search. So here I will start to search, and then the result will be show. Then the result will be show here. So I will make this more beautiful to create form control form. Actually it will be a class. Yeah, so now we will start typing, and this result will be filtered. So I have created I need to attach jQuery here. So I will copy jQuery from my project, from my previous project. I will copy from this project, uh, jQuery. So I will here JS. So yeah, I will copy this. You can download from their official website. Put there, copy the name, and put the jQuery.js. Okay, now I have attached bootstrap and I have attached jQuery in this search template. Now I will define the class search result. This class, in this class we will fetch all data from database without reloading the page when we type in the search box. So now I will here add class search input. So now I'm going to start the main sorry, now I'm going to start the main work. Dollar document dot ready. It means that when our document has been loaded properly, then this script will work. Then I will put here dot search input on key up. When we press the keyboard button and it release, then that event is key up, and we will get the value. So dollar this dot, because we are in search input context, so I am using dollar this dot val. So in this we are getting the input value. So let's verify this. Q. So now I will open my console and start typing text. So as you can see that here our console is showing the test. So I will I will add a condition here that if if our value length is greater than or equal to 3, then we will perform the Ajax. Okay, so now I'm going to type our Ajax. So dollar dot Ajax, this will be URL which will fetch our data. So URL will be search method, type will be I will not define, if I not define the type, then it will by default get. If I define post, then you can define with type. So I will define here with post. No, I will define here, I will not define the type. I will just get the result with post with the get method, and data will be our query this, and data type, the data type which will return from the server will be JSON, and before send is a callback function. This will help us to show loader or show animation until loading the result. So I will do something here. So in success, when our response, when data returned successfully or response returns successfully, then this method will call. So I will here add console response. So search, so we have already defined our method search with get method. Now we will, in our search controller, we will add a condition if, and here we will pass the request if our request has parameter q, then it will return response JSON. It will return response JSON dollar request. I will take this in variable request q. Okay, so this I will return the whatever user has been typed. I will return the same. Now okay, we have done this, and one thing more we will do, that in search result we will show the loading text. So in the search result we will show the HTML which will be our list loading. So list group item. So now we will check this. So check this. Actually we need to remove data from the search. We will remove this. Now we will do WEST. So it is showing loading, but in console it is showing 404. So let's check this, and actually we need to define name. Actually we need to define name in input. So now we will check west. So it is showing the error. What we are doing wrong here? We are nothing doing wrong, but something is wrong. Request response JSON search data queue method equal to this search queue equal to queue. Actually, we don't need to define the name because we are sending the data with this parameter, so we don't need to define the name. So actually the mistake is here. So URL is search. Now we have done this. So west. So as we can see, it return in preview west. So now we will perform our database. We'll search in the database. So I will use previously created my task model. Please watch my CRUD tutorial video for this task model, and we will search the result equal to task where title like I will search the title. So here I am q dot get. So I will return the response. I will return the result. So we will see, first of all we will see first task, second task. So now we will see first. So check this. So it is returning a result. So now we will show this result in our list. So here we will do this. I will use this result as a data and return result array. So here I will use the each function, and before each I will create a variable name HTML. In this HTML I will add the result and then append in the list group. So response dot data function index. Here our data will be second argument, and now HTML equal to list, and here our list. Here our data dot title, and in the class equal to list group item. And now we will in search result we will add this HTML. So let's check this. So first, yeah, so this is first task. Now add some task in our application. Add some task. This is fifth task. This is another task. So now we will search FIF. This will load the fifth task. Now if I search first, this will load the first task, and if I remove the character of, now my length, if my length is this, then this result, and in the else condition I will return false and make this result data empty. So my HTML will be empty. So now we will search fi. If I put the search length greater than or equal to 3, then it will fetch the result, else it make the result wrapper empty. So we have created our instant result with jQuery Ajax and Laravel 7. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So if you like this video, then please share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.